Hello. Welcome to Tech and Trick. Today we are going to learn how to create multiple shorts or reels in one go using Canva. Open a browser and go to canva.com. Once you are on the Canva's website, make sure you are signed in. Now select the social media option from the header bar and go to Instagram Reels. A blank canvas will be open. You can search for the relevant template and select the one of your choice. Or you can make your own design. To add a background, go to Element and select a video. Right-click on it and select the Replace Background. You can also add some design. To add text, go to Text and select the text you want to add. Adjust its position using mouse. On the top bar you can adjust the transparency of your design according to your need. I am adding some more text to complete this template so that we can make multiple reels in one go. You can adjust the time of the video as per your need. To add animation, go to Animations and select the one you like. This is the data that I am going to add in the shorts. To do so, go to Apps and select Bulk Create. Now enter data manually. Now add the heading only and clean the dummy data. Now copy the data and paste in the table. Once you have done pasting, click Done. Now right-click on text where you want to add this data and click Connect Data. Then select Data. Do the same process with other text. We can adjust the position and can also change the style and color. Once you are done with the style, click Generate 10 designs. Canva magically create your designs with different data you have provided. Let's have the preview. You can see that data is each short has a data you have entered. To download, click on Share and then Download. Now check the option Download Pages as separate files and click Download. Your design will be downloaded separately. Now just extract the file and you will see that each short is downloaded. That's all for this video. I hope you have learned something. See you in the next video with some new tricks. Goodbye.